Okay, world, how you doing? What this video is about how to replace the light bulb on your older style Ryobi flashlight. This model is the P704, I believe. It's a 18 volt flashlight for a Ryobi 1 Plus system. Here you go. There's the battery I've been using with it. Batteries last a really long time. I don't have how long that they last in here, but they last for hours, many hours, probably 3 or 4 hours with this small battery. This is just your generic battery that comes with the Ryobi drills that you get on special on Father's Day or something for 99 bucks for a drill and 2 batteries and a charger. And that's always the deal I usually go for on Father's Day or something like that, or on Christmas or whenever it is. But anyways, like I said, this is how to access the light bulbs, where they are, how to replace the light bulb, and where to purchase them. You cannot get them at Home Depot anymore. They used to sell the Ryobi, to my knowledge, never ever sold light bulbs at Home Depot. They sell the Ryobi gear, but no light bulbs. Don't even believe I could get them online. So I used the DeWalt light bulb a few years back, but DeWalt doesn't even carry them anymore. So I had to go online to eBay, and that will be in the video. So that's in there. Anyways, how to replace the light bulb. What you do is this little slot right here on the side of that's the front of the flashlight. There's just this little hole right here. Okay, and it's just a little screwdriver slot to put like a number 2 or number 3 tip of a screwdriver. I don't know which it is, but I'm just doing it with one hand here, and you just give it a twist with a little screwdriver. I'm just using basic, 3-in-1 screwdriver or whatever, or 10-in-1 or whatever the hell it is. Anyways, then the front, like I said, you got to be a little bit nicer. When I did that little twisting on that with one hand, I was a little rough on it, so be a little gentler on it so you don't ding it like I did. But this is just for the video. Anyways, so you just pop it off, and anyways, light bulbs are right here. This is your replacement light bulb on the top, and this is the one that you're using right now. So all you do is you would pull out your no good light bulb, and you could pull the one out of here and just set it in there. They just set in. There's no trick to putting them in. I don't like touching light bulbs because of finger oils. The oils would get hot on the glass and could present a problem. So I don't like touching light bulbs ever. It's just kind of my golden rule. And like I said, it just sets in there. That's it. And if you want to test it, you can push the little button on the back here, make sure it works, and use a towel, push on it, there you go, works just fine. Turn it off, put the cover on, it just pushes back on. It only goes on one way. It's bigger and smaller on the top and bottom of that cover, so it only, like I said, it only fits on one way. Boom. It just works like that. Head of the flashlight goes up like this and down all the way around. Stops at the top like that. On off switch. Awesome flashlight, love it. Wish they kept selling them. I guess everything's going LED. I might get one of the LED ones and see how long they last in comparison to this. Like I said, this one, I've never had a complaint on how long this thing lasts. Lasts for a long time, many hours. Like I said, like 3 or 4 hours. Great flashlight, you know. Just so I like the light too. I don't. Sometimes I kind of noticed I was using an LED the other day, and I actually liked this yellow light better when I was working on an evaporator. For some reason. So anyways, that's how you access where the light bulb is held on this thing, and the rest of the video will have where I got the light bulbs on eBay, how much I paid for them, and all that kind of good stuff. Okay, click like on the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye. Got my light bulbs from my Ryobi. I think they were like 6 of them for $10 or something, somewhere around that. eBay. So let's see how it works. Okay, it works. Yeah, lights work. And you can even store. Okay, it even stores a light bulb. That's why I dig these Ryobi flashlights. They're like $12. That's why I went to the trouble of getting light bulbs for it. 6 of them. 6 light bulbs for like $10. Worked out good. Cool. I think it's gonna work good.